Starting winded doesn't mean you're weak. It means you haven't been on the hill. Hello, friends. Aloha to you, all my healthcare heroes and resilient leaders out there. Hi, I'm Jules, and I've walked through seasons where leadership felt steady and sometimes seasons where everything felt heavy again overnight. Today, I wanted to share something simple but powerful. It has been storming here in Hawaii for days. Wind howling, rain pouring sideways, the kind of weather that makes you question every outdoor plan. Honestly, it felt like I built my house under a waterfall. This morning it was drizzling. Not ideal, not inviting, but I laced up anyway and put my rain jacket on and started walking. Now, our house is like halfway up the mountain, and so the climb begins before it even begins. And within minutes, I felt winded. Not halfway up, not near the top, from the start. 10 days off the hill showed up immediately. My legs, my breath was short. I was starting with a slow pace. And for a moment, I thought, wow, this feels harder than it should. And I keep walking. Not fast, not strong, but walking forward. If you're an accidental clinic manager, this is going to sound familiar. You come back after a few hard days, a stressful week, or time away from the chaos, and suddenly things that used to feel manageable feel heavy again. Conversations feel harder, decisions take more energy, and confidence feels out of breath. And you wonder, why does it feel so hard again? But here's what the hill reminded me today. Starting winded doesn't mean you've lost your strength. It means you're rebuilding your rhythm. You didn't lose your leadership. You just haven't been on the hill. And the only way back forward is step by step, breath by breath, not proving anything, just re-engaging. We don't talk about this enough. Leadership isn't linear. It's not linear. You don't arrive and stay there. There are seasons when you feel strong. There are seasons when you feel steady, and seasons when you feel like you're starting all over again. But you're not starting all over again. You're just starting again. And even when it feels like you're starting over, God hasn't moved. He's walking with you and helping you find your rhythm again. So don't worry about it. Until next time, my friends, stand and deliver on being consistent. Aloha.